Sing sang tay tay lengo. My name is Grace Torres. I'm 36 years old. I am from Purukdus, Lower Balamag, Saysay, Davao del Sur, Philippines. I am married and I have 3 kids. Their ages are 19, 15, and 13. I am high school graduate. I can cook, I can clean the house, I can wash the clothes, I can wash the dishes, and I can ironing, and I can take good care of your kids. I don't afraid dog and cats. I let my employer choose when is my holiday. I have experience of working abroad. On last January 14, 2020 to 14 of January 2022, I work as a helper. I serve 4 adults, 2 kids. My main duty is to taking care of the kids, cooking their food, wash the clothes, cleaning the house, and ironing the clothes, wash the dishes, and I finished my contract. On last March 2022 to July 2022, I work as a helper. I serve 4 adults, 2 kids. My main duty is to take care of the kids, send and pick them from school, preparing food. Sometimes I go to market. I clean the house, ironing, I wash the dishes, I clean the clothes, and many more. I was terminated. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family, especially the financial needs of my children for their study. I am willing to take good care of elderly or newborn baby. I can sing a song for them like, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. To my employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me to be your helper because I am hardworking, I am obedient, I am honest and fast learner, and I really love to work. I promise to be a good helper, to prioritize my job, and I will finish my contract and work with you for a long time, ma'am and sir. Ngoy sai, Yatsan gin.